Hi everyone, good evening. Ramaya here. Today I am going to discuss about joiner transformation and its properties that are available within the transformation. Joiner transformation is active and this is connected transformation. By using joiner transformation, we are going to provide multiple conditions. Based on the conditions, it will fetch the data from the two data sets or from two sources, unload the data into next level. Okay, whereas joiner transformation will support equal conditions, it does not support so and or condition along with the inequality comparisons. Okay, and it always supports normal giant by default, and we have master outer giant, detailed outer giant, and full outer giant as well. Whenever you are going to take one particular source and drag and drop into your joiner transformation, that will be treated as a detailed giant, whereas the second source you are going to take and drag and drop into your joiner transformation, that will be treated as a master giant. But there is a provision available to mark master as a detail as a master. That facility is also available in joiner transformation. Okay, by default our joiner transformation will consider normal join as the join type. In joiner transformation, it supposed heterogeneous sources or homogeneous sources as well. If both the sources are related to same related data, like you are taking two sources which are coming from the Oracle or from the Microsoft or from the Teradata or from the some other source, both sources are related to the same source, that is called as the homogeneous sources. If one source is coming from one set of source and another source is coming from another source, that will called as a heterogeneous sources. Those kind of sources are also joined by our joiner transformation. Okay, not only the same set of sources that are available as a active sources. Apart from that, if you want to do heterogeneous also, it will help you to join the sources that are available. Okay, and here we have catchy methodology also. Whenever you are considering particular source as a master source, all master source related data will load into your cache level. That is the reason you have to choose the source which is taking the less amount of time to load into your cache. It will give the good performance. Okay, if the source having less amount of time, that will give the good performance to perform your joiner transformation. Okay, why means which is considered as master source and the port which is participating in the condition from the master source, those values are going to load into your index cache. Rest of the output related, I mean, what are all the ports that are designated as output from the master source are going to load into your data cache. So that is the reason, try to analyze the sources as per the requirement. After identifying which source having the less amount of data, that source you have to take it as a master to improve your performance while loading the data from multiple sources to next to downstream level. Let me show you a simple example how to perform joiner transformation in Informatica Power Center. Okay, now let me create one mapping here. M underscore joiner function. Okay, I'm taking employee table as my source, and Another table I am taking as a source, right? As I mentioned, we need two sources to combine our data into required target table, and this is my target table that I have. See, yeah, this is my target. So to combine the same set of data, both the tables are coming from Oracle only. Okay, these two are related to Oracle database. I can call these two sources are related to Oracle source only. So I can say this is homogeneous. Okay, I am doing homogeneous join. What is this? See here, this is the joiner transformation. Okay, see, I'm going to take one set of source metadata into my joiner transformation. When I'm going to drag and drop into joiner, it will treat as a detailed source. Okay, the next source you are going to drag and drop into your joiner transformation. This will be considered as a master, but there is a provision you have to change master as detail as master. If you want the first one as a master, yes, you can change as a master. If you want the second one as a master, yes, you can change it. This provision also available in our joiner transformation. Okay, now you can provide the join condition where dpt number equal to dpt number. Okay, see here, I have join type. I have join type. I want to choose the which one I am going to performing now. Normal join. Normal join means from the two sources it will fetch only matching data. Master outer join. What it will do? Whenever you are going to choose master outer join, it will take matching data from the master outer join and non-matching data from the detailed outer join. It means that only matching data we are going to extract from the master outer join, but matching non-matching data we are going to extract from detailed outer join. If you select detailed outer join as a join type, what it will do? Your integration service will help you to join only matching data from the detailed outer join, whereas matching non-matching from the master outer join. Okay, but what is the full outer join? It will help you to join matching, non-matching both the tables, both the sources. Okay, now I am going to select normal join now. Okay, apply and open. See here, what are all the data I want here? EMP number I want, e-name, job, yeah, EMP number, e-name, job, I want a salary. Okay, from detail, right? And DPT also coming from the detail. And I am going to take D name location from the master. Okay, I am going to take a D name location from the master source. Okay, arrange or control yes. Now I already created the mapping, right? Control C, take the mapping name and you can go ahead and create the session also to run your mapping. What it will do, based on our session, we are going to load the data from source to our target table. Okay, just underscore and I'm doing copy pasting. Okay, where is my join? Let me check. Joiner functions. Okay, yeah, done. Now you can go and give the connection information here under mapping tab. See here, I am providing the connection information Oracle. This is coming from the Oracle, and let me check the Oracle information. I mean connection information for second source. This is also coming from the Oracle only. Okay, wait, is my target available here? Yeah, this is also coming from Oracle. Okay, now I'm providing, yeah, normal load. Target load type is normal load. I am going to provide truncate target table option. What it will do? If any data available, this particular target table, that will be deleted and current data will load into my target table. That's all. Okay. Click apply. Click OK. Control yes. Control yes. Okay. Once done, you can go ahead and create the workflow. See here. Now there is my session. I have to verify carefully. Okay, there is my session joins, right? I have created with the joins. Let me check multiple. There is the session available here. Join functions, right? This is the one I have created. Take the link task and you can give the connection information and run your workflow. Okay, yeah, let me check. You see, this is completed successfully. And how many are available in first source? 4 records applied. Second source, 16 records available. And in my target table, 16 rows are affected. Okay, what is the target name? TRGEMP DEPT. Okay, select the start from TRG underscore EMP underscore DEPT. See here, based on the DEPT number, I extracted DNAME and location from master source. Now I am going to change join type as full outer join. Okay, you can see some difference here. Apply, control S. Whenever you are going to do any changes at mapping level, you can refresh your session to assign the changes to your session also. Okay, now you can run the workflow again. Yes, see now here 16 rows are affected into my target table. Let's see what is the additional row that we have. Yeah, see, full outer, right? We performed full outer. What will happen? Operations. This particular row, which is related to from master source, we have one additional row, but these row related employees are not available in my detailed source. That is the reason here I am able to say null, whereas I am able to say operations and Boston under DNAME and location. It means that matching data from the both the sources or non-matching data from the both the sources. Okay, this is how it will work. Okay, as per the requirement, however you want to perform, whether master load, detail load, whatever it may be, you can choose here and you can go ahead and perform the data. Let me show you one more. Yeah, let me select the detail and see the data. Okay, now control yes, I have changed it as detail. Once you change, again we need to refresh the data to reflect our session also, and you can run it. Again it is showing 17 records. Let me see the difference now. See, same thing it is happening, right? Detailed I selected here, right? Detailed means, yeah, both the matching, non-matching from the master table, only matching from the our detailed table. Now I will change data type. I mean, what I can say, join type is master. Okay, control is, and let me check that output now. Okay, so we are verifying all possible joins that are available in joiner transformation. That's all. See, it is giving 16, right? You can see the difference here. See, only matching records are affected here. I choose which join type I have selected here. Let me show you what is the join type that I have. Master outer. What is the master here? This is the source, right? This source I consider as a master. Master means only matching records from the master detail, non-matching matching details from the detailed source. Okay, that is how we received 16 records. Okay, so this is how look our journal transformation will help us to join the multiple data sets, but always you can give single join. It means that single joiner transformation will accept only two data sets, two sources at a time. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this session, and we'll meet again with the new session in upcoming videos. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your time.